Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be showing you guys the easy tutorial on the 4x4. So as you can see right here, we have a scrambled 4x4 Rubik's Cube, and on the 4x4 it's a multi-layered cube, duh. And for any cubes larger than the 3x3, you have to pair up the centers. So in the first video, I will show you how to solve the white centers and the yellow centers. So just an overview, in the first video we're doing white centers and yellow centers. Second video we're doing all of the other centers. Third video we're doing pairing up the edges. The fourth video we are talking about solving the rest of the cube. The fifth video is going to be parity, and the sixth video is going to be just going to be on how actually to improve your time. So at first you're going to have times about like 10 to 20 minutes, but I want you, after this course, you can actually narrow it down to about 5 to 6 minutes. So let's get on for the part 1 right here. This step is pretty intuitive. You just have to pair up all of the white centers. So as you can see right here, we can pair this up. And then just find another one. So the way that you're going to pair this up is, you see this is right here, and you want to make the three, so you want to make the coordinate point, so which is this piece, the joint piece, to be the same as this one. So when you move it up, you turn it and move it down, this is solved. And for the second one, right here, we can first pair it up like this, and then we can move it up. And then here, the white center also moved up, so we have to move this over and then move the white center back down. And then next we will pair up the two centers on the faces, except the white and the yellow, so these four faces. So let me just demonstrate if we have something like this. So now you want to move this coordinate to be able to pair it up with this one, move it over, and then after you move it over, now you can remember to have your pieces aligned like this, so you can move it up, over, and then down. So yeah, that is it for these two centers, and make sure to watch part 2 on how to solve the rest of the centers. Bye!